firstly understand that acne is something which is an inflammation on your skin, and it could be caused by a blocked pore, or it could be blocking of a hair follicle with oil, dirt, or external makeup products, etc. So there are grades of acne, that is mild, moderate and severe. So mild acne consists of normal whiteheads or called as comedones, and the moderate acne is something which have pus fill papules on your face, and severe type of acne is something which is called as nodulocystic acne. That is, it has a kind of cyst which is inside your skin. And pustular acne and whiteheads is something which is most commonly seen in most patients, and in patients with hormonal imbalance or in patients who have irregular menstrual cycles, they usually get the nodulocystic acne. How to prevent or cure the acne? First, very important thing is your daily skincare routine. So people with acne prone skin have oily skin. So products that will help to control this oil will help in indirectly controlling the acne. You can include face washes which have salicylic acid or glycolic acid. So a difference between an acne mark and acne scar is that acne scar is like a dent on your skin. That is, when the acne has healed up, it leaves a depression on your skin, because maybe you must have squeezed the acne when it was active, or maybe with pressure you might have burst it, and that has left a dent in your skin. Now this is very challenging to treat, so you cannot expect that some topical cream you will apply for an acne scar and it will go away. No, it will help to reduce it maybe, but it will not go away completely. तो इफ़ समवन इज़ टेलिंग यू दैट ये क्रीम लगाने से ये स्कार पूरा चले जाएगा, तो वैसा बिल्कुल नहीं है. हाँ, देर आर प्रोसीजर्स लाइक PRP विच आई डू, एंड इन विच आई हैव सीन दैट अराउंड 70 to 80% of scars have come up filled up, because it boosts up your collagen, and that's why it helps to fill up, and it initiates a healing response in your skin which kind of fills up the gap.